Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know if you could have seen what happened, but I've been working at getting it better. I went back to the mine and all of my stuff despawned and I lost basically everything. So I'm working to get it back. So far, I have a whole stack of seeds, so we're going to be farming today. I've started making more food so that I can feed myself and get myself to full health, because obviously right now I'm not there. And I think I'm just gonna make a farm in the back. I explored over, either we're making a farm today, but I think we're actually not going to be doing that, because I did see a village over here. That's where the creeper exploded. So we're just gonna take this stake. I've got basically all I need to be able to go there. And because villages have beds now, that's gonna be cool. Okay, I just explored along this river, and I saw a village not too far. I don't know why I even collect that, but I do. And then all I need to do to get back is to just follow the river. I actually got some sugarcane from along the other side of the river, and that went well. I just planted it in front of, well, closer to my house so that I can access it better. Yep, that's basically it. That's all that really happened. Ooh. Dang, this got good stuff. Now I don't know what kind of houses have what, like which ones have chests. Ooh, food. I'm not gonna take that. Yeah, you can keep your paper, I'm just stealing your food. Oh, what's up, man? I just slaughtered a ton of sheep and stuff. Well, apparently one sheep, but still. I'll take that. Go over here. I'm pretty sure there's nothing in, yep, nothing. And same over here. Ooh, watermelon, dude. Yeah, nothing. I should have known just by looking through the door, but still. Ooh, watermelon. Thank goodness. Oops. I'm itching my face. Alright. Oh, yay, extra seeds. Alright, more watermelon. Just stealing all their food right now. Alright. Looks like there's more houses over there, so let's go over there. There's some hay over there, which means I can make bread. I'm gonna go steal that first before we do anything. What's up, chicken? Oh, wow. Nice. Fancy looking, I guess. Oh, no, there's nothing in there. That's weird. I've never seen a chest that had nothing. I don't know, maybe that's normal. Just get this stuff, and then I think we're head back and maybe see if we can farm before the night comes. I think that's all there is to this village. There's some farms near the water. I'm not going to destroy them. I love how they're in the water. That looks cool. I'll probably use this village later on for emeralds and stuff, but I don't really know how to do that, so alright, let's head back and see if we can make a farm before we start. So I'm hungry. Okay, I thought for sure that I would I thought for sure that I wouldn't be able to get out after that. I thought I was just being stupid. No damage from that? What? I don't even know how that did happen. Oh, come on. I don't know how to harvest that stuff. I think you have to wait for it to grow or something. But it's grown. I don't know. Oh, whoops, I passed it. Oh, that's just because it was laggy. Let me go and tell them how that it's working really quick. Okay, I'm back. I don't know where the sun is. It's probably about to set soon. Just gonna make a gosh, what is it called? A hoe. Okay, now we can oops. Gonna need a bucket too. But for now we'll just plant it around here. See if we can get anything from those. Nope. Okay. Don't have any other seeds than just hay, so what am I doing? Oh gosh. Just make it along here until we get a bucket. Okay, that's good. Okay. Looks pretty good for there. I'm basically done. I guess we'll turn this into hay or wheat. Oh, that's a lot of food. Oh my god. I thought it would only be 2. Well, it's getting dark anyway, so let's finish up Alright, let's make the bread. Oops. 21 pieces of bread. It's pretty good. Nine. And we got another, 21 here. And then I'll be just over a stack. I messed up. Okay. There we go. Let's get in the bed. Jeez, that looks terrifying. By the way, yeah, I was slain as a zombie. Or, when I was fixing this. So that's what that's from. I don't know if I should go back there. Not go back. I'm scared of the spider because it made my computer lag that bad. Maybe it was just the spawner, because when I get close to that spawner, my computer completely lags out. I like this flower, it's pretty. I don't know why it does that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab wood to fix my house. But we've got a farm, we've got a mine, we've got really a lot. Because all of the materials that I got, like the iron, the coal, and the diamonds, I can get so much more of that. What am I doing? Jeez. I didn't get an axe yet. Oops. Oh my gosh. Yes, I do, and I am going to replant the seeds. But right now I don't I don't really want to. So I'm not doing that yet. But for now I'm just gonna get wood, make everything better. There's the sugar cane if you're wanting to see it. I mean, it's just sugar cane, but still. Okay, we'll put this. No, we'll make it right now. Oh, well, I know what I'm gonna do. Just make an X. I think I want to center this so it'll be right here and here instead. Okay. Just get all this because I have enough to redo it. Oh, that's a pain in the butt. This one's seriously? I should have known that would happen though, so whatever. Oh.